It's April Fool's Day, and I just was back from the polisher, and I want to show you what we've got here. So let me do this. This is for the Beast. And this is a little addition that we're putting on the front. Let me get them out so you can see what they are.
Ooh.
Oh, this is part of it. And I'm not going to put it all together, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. How's that? Yeah, we'll get it in there.
That looks cool.
Isn't that about as cool as it gets? They fit in here like this. And this goes over here. Take a look. That's going to be the Beast. This is the front of it. And it matches our radiator. So anyway, I wanted you to see what we have going here. Now I've got little screws that hold us all in and hold it all in together. I'm really, really delighted with this. And they are absolutely beautiful, are they not? This
Gorgeous.
is the claws of the Beast.
Sweet.
There you go.